On this episode of Maker Hack Shack, we build this 12-inch tom for my budget drum set. Let's get it started. We'll start with this shell. I was able to find all the lugs on eBay because I lost them when I took this thing apart 15 years ago. These are the screws used to attach the lugs to the shell. That's one. Just 15 more to go. Alright, that went smoothly. Now let's put the heads on. I'm going to clean these rims up first using some 4/0 steel wool. It gets all the surface rust off. I'll use some window cleaner to clean off this head. Now we'll put the tension rods in finger tight. Now to install this mount so we can attach it to the bass drum. To do so, I have to remove this head again. The holes are slightly different on this one, so I'll have to re-drill them. I use the backing plate as a template. Now it's just a matter of putting the backing plate in and bolting it all together. Be sure to tighten the nuts on the backing plate. Now we'll reinstall the head. Give it a quick tuning. Alright, let's take it for a spin. Well, I hope you liked this video. Be sure to like and subscribe. Be sure to join us next time on the Maker Hack Shack.